Mike Rutherford here for M&K Truck Centers. Big or small, we've got it all. If you're looking for a sleeper truck, if you're looking for a day cab, flatbed, we've got that. If you're looking for a truck with a wet kit on it, we've got that too. We offer Western Stars, Freightliners, Kenworths, Peterbilts, you name it, we offer all manufacturers. Big or small, we've got it all. If you're looking for a little box truck, a Suzu, something like that, we're gonna have that. Give us a call, M&K Truck Centers. We've got lots of locations to serve your needs, and we offer all kinds of equipment. M&K Truck Centers.